And this is the adventure of the small kitchen.
Hey people! So today we'll be making a little bit slightly different meal. A little something healthy. So for our ingredients, we'll have onions, carrots, our lettuce. I'll be trying this hydroponic planting. And then we have chicken, salt, pepper, and we also have a ready mix powder for our chicken. For our lettuce, you wash your vegetables very well. So when you wash this, then take out the water. Put a little bit of water again, and then just for a tip, you can soak this for a couple of seconds in a vinegar. Wash very well your vegetable. So I have washed this very carefully and thoroughly. So what we will do now is we're going to put a little bit of vinegar so that the other bacteria will be removed. So we set that aside for a couple of seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then we drain it, and then you put it in a strainer so that the excess water will come off. For your chicken, you wash also very well your chicken because we'll never know what's in it when you bought it outside. So people, we will now proceed to our chicken. So we open up this packet. This is actually a McCormick ready mix butter for the chicken. So I know this is only a little, so I will add this Arabic powder as well. This is also like a chicken breading or butter. So what we will do is we will dilute this in water. Just 1/4 cup of water. Add more water if your butter mixture still has lumps. So for your chicken, you pat them dry with a paper towel so that when we dip it here in the butter sauce, it will mix very well. So when your pan is ready, it's also already hot, get the chicken and then you dip it in the butter mixture. Make sure you coat everything. Trick for the chicken wings so that it will not go like that. You twist a little the bone, or you break the bone a little on this part so that when you fry it, it will align. If you're not deep frying it. So we just cut it like this. Carrots. Remove the ends. Drain the water. So when the ingredients of your salad are ready, so I have put this in the bowl, the lettuce. We now top our carrots. Then we now put in our onions. And then you top it with a little bit of cheese. So that's it, guys. So the next one, we will be doing the sauce. Our salad dressing. We will be using olive oil, honey or maple syrup, salt, pepper, and some balsamic vinegar. In a bowl, just put in a little bit of olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, pepper, and salt. And some of our maple syrup. And then afterwards, you just mix it. And then you taste it. Good.